Today I'll be unboxing the brand new DacMagic 200M from Cambridge Audio, and we're going to check it out right after the jump. What is up, Techno fam? I'm back and I hope you're having a great day. And first, before we begin, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to all my patrons on Patreon. Thank you guys so much. You rock. And I know we've been growing so fast on Patreon because everybody wants access to Dolby Atmos and DTS-X demos, and they are available if you are a patron at the $5 level. Now, if you are a patron, I just want to give you a reminder, if you did not notice, I just uploaded the ISO files for all the demos that I previously released up there on Patreon. So if you are a Zapiti owner and you use the Zapiti, those ISO files are just as if you were taking the disc and putting it into a disc player. So make sure you check that post out. Now, if you want access to all these files, make sure you become a patron at the $5 level. The link is down in the description. All right, enough of that. Let's go upstairs and unbox the Cambridge Audio DacMagic 200M. As we open the box, we are greeted with literature, power adapter, multiple adapter plugs, Bluetooth antenna, and of course, we have the DacMagic 200M itself. The DacMagic 200M has a sleek industrial look with its all aluminum build. On the front, from left to right, we have a power switch, source selector, source indicator LEDs, main volume knob, filter indicator LEDs, filter switch, MQA and DSD LED indicators, incoming sample rate indicators, and a 1/4-inch headphone output jack. On the back from left to right, we have an unbalanced stereo output via RCA, a balanced stereo output via XLR, 2 digital audio inputs, both with coaxial and optical connections, a USB Type B input for a computer connected with a ground lift switch, Bluetooth antenna, and a power port on the far right. The DacMagic 200M retails for $499 and has a lot of great features and connectivity options. The twin ESS Sabre DACs are configured in dual mono, meaning one DAC handles the left channel and the other handles the right channel. This gives you improved left-right channel separation and accuracy. It also has support for MQA and DSD decoding. So let's talk about why I really wanted to check out the 200M. First and foremost is I wanted something portable because I am reviewing a bunch of headphones and I want to be able to take something with me to work where I can just slide into my bag. And then at the same time, I wanted to be able to connect this up in the signal chain of a 2-channel setup. Now, the 200M from Cambridge Audio is pretty small, and I know something like the SMSL M500 kind of is the same thing-ish, but a little bit cheaper. Its shape is not really conducive to portability, let's say. With the DacMagic 200M, I can have great audio pretty much anywhere. Connecting my phone via Bluetooth is super easy. Just select the DacMagic 200M in your Bluetooth settings on your device and you are good to go. Listening to Tidal MQA while I'm working is super easy with the 200M. I did order a USB-C to USB-B cable to make the connection to the DAC occur without a dongle because I am tired of this whole dongle life. So I'll link that cable up in the description. It's not that expensive. So to talk a little bit more about the versatility of the DacMagic 200M, it does come equipped with a pair of balanced XLR outputs, which you can use to integrate into your 2-channel setup. Here we have the Michi X3 integrated amp, Oppo UDP203, and the DacMagic 200M. So I've connected the DacMagic to the Michi via the balanced XLR cables, and I've connected the coax output from the Oppo to the digital 1 input on the DacMagic. If you're curious about these sexy looking cables, they are made by Claris. And if you're interested in either the Michi X3 integrated amp or these Claris cables, be sure to contact Dream Media Home Theater and request a quote. Link is in the description. Now that everything's set up and turned around, select the digital 1 input on the DAC Magic, hit play on the Oppo, and select the XLR input on the Michi X3. But wait, hold on. Why are we not getting a signal? Oh yeah, that's because we need to turn the volume knob up on the DAC Magic. Duh. Once you do that, you can see the signal coming through into the Michi and of course through your speakers. So this is a great example of how you can integrate the DacMagic 200M into your existing 2-channel setup. Now, when I saw the press release for the 200M, I was pretty excited about it because I didn't have a DAC and I kind of needed one because of all of the headphones I have coming in for review, and they only have a 1/4-inch plug, and I just needed something to listen to while I was at work. But I also wanted something that could fit into a 2-channel setup here at the house as well, because I got a bunch of like Focal speakers to review. So I'm pretty excited to have the DacMagic 200M being integrated, and you know, I'm pretty much using it on the daily. Now, I think Cambridge Audio did a great job with it, and the real question is the DacMagic 200M perfect for you? That all depends. How are you going to use it? Will it integrate into your system? These are things that you need to figure out for yourself. So make sure you click the link down in the description to check out the DacMagic 200M. And if you have any questions, let me know down there as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. So if you liked it, go ahead, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel using the button in the middle of your screen. Once again, my name is Chana D. I'm your Techno Dad, and I'll see you next time.